Now let's look at the account settings. Click on the red box with your username, then click on My Settings at the bottom. This is where you can update your account information and preferences, like your holds and pickup location, and borrowing history. You can change your pickup library location for holds by clicking Holds and Pickup Location, then make a selection in the drop-down menu. If you always pick up your items at the same library location when you place a hold, you can enable single-click holds. This enables you to skip the step of selecting a pickup location when you place a hold, and it will default to your preferred library location every time. Click Save Changes after making your selections. You also have the option to activate your borrowing history. To preserve your privacy, Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library does not store information about what has been previously checked out on your library card. If you would like to have a record of what you've checked out, click on Borrowing History, and click the toggle to enable or turn it on, then Save Changes. Next, let's look at how to find items in the library catalog.